Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our another video. So you can see that we are staying with my teacher at this moment, and we are walking on the road at this moment. So we are staying just Kumarkhali in Kumarkhali at Halbazar market. So at this moment I am some questions to my teacher. So teacher, are you ready?
Yes, obviously, I am ready and you can ask any question at this moment.
So at first, how do you do?
Alhamdulillah, I am also good for my creator of Allah.
And what are you thinking now at this moment? Please tell me about this environment and where are you staying at this moment? Please tell me.
Actually, I am thinking that now I am walking on the road, and not only I am walking on the road, but also my student Abir Hussain walking on the road with me, and now we are making a video. Actually, why we are making this video? We are making this video. It is just one purpose to practice. We know that practice makes a man perfect.
Yeah, of course,
Without
obviously.
practice, it is not possible to be a great speaker and fluency speaker. So I have decided that I will go to the town of Halbazar market and we will make a video with my student. His name is Abir Hussain.
You know that practice makes man perfect. So that when we will practice and at that moment we will do some mistake. So about it, I am telling to you and I am telling all the guys that mistake is the first step of practicing.
Yes, obviously.
So if any person don't practice, so he will not be and they will not be
Fluency
speaker. So I can suggest you that if you will be fluency speaker, so you have to do practice more and more.
Every
because,
day.
because practice makes man perfect.
Perfect.
So
However,
yeah.
already we have reached at a place. It is the town of the
Halbazar market.
Halbazar market. And as you can see that there are many different kinds of shops, such as biryani shops, electronic
Yeah.
shops, vegetable shops, and so on things. Why we are staying here? Actually, we are staying here so that we can make video.
Yeah.
Hello guys, those who are watching this video, I can highly suggest to you that we should practice so much every day,
Yeah, of course.
because practice is the main things to be a great speaker.
Yeah, of course.
Without practicing, it is not possible.
You cannot develop your English speaking and you cannot develop your
Actually-
English speaking.
Actually, those who are trying to be a great speaker, they are trying heart and soul to be a to practice so much. So by this way, we are practicing so much so that we can be a great speaker and fluency speaker.
Already we have told Halbazar market main position. So at this moment we can see many vehicles. So market is noisy, some busy and noisy. So about it, what are you thinking now? Please tell me.
Actually, I am thinking that it is just a turn of Halbazar market, and we can see that there is a mural, and it is made by a shape, two kinds of shape of heron, and from this place there are four roads has gone four side.
Yeah.
And now we are staying here so that we can make a video, and it is why we are making a video. Just we are practicing.
It is just practicing.
Obviously.
Not more longer. Thanks for watching our video.
Stay well, stay safe. See you again
Next
in a new video.
Inshallah.
Our tawfiq illa billah. Assalamu alaikum.
All the best.